Now graph of linear equation in two variable. That one first example 5 is given the point 1 2, find the equation of a line on which it lies. How many such equations are there? Okay. Now the point 1 and 2. Okay. 1 2. What is x here? 1. Y here 2. Okay. Simple equation 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. That is x plus y is equal to 3. You can put one equation, x plus y equal to 3. Okay. Now another one, if you want, y is equal to that 2 you can write as 2 into 1, where 1 is equal to x. So y is equal to 2 into x. Okay. Or x is equal to y by 2. That also you can write. Or y minus x equal to 1. You can write y 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. No. So just put the values of x and y. X plus y is equal to 3. So x plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. That is one equation you are getting. Second one, y, that is 2 is equal to 2 into 1, that is y equal to 2x. Or y minus x is equal to 1, or x minus y is equal to negative 1. So you are getting so many equations like that. Okay. For the same solution, x is equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Now draw the graph of x plus y equal to 7. Now first you have to solve that graph. So let us first one, x plus y equal to 7. So x plus y equal to 7. When x is equal to 0, what you will get? Y equal to 7. No, that is 0 plus y is equal to 7, or y is equal to 7. So one solution you got, x is equal to 0 and y equal to 7. Now when you are putting y equal to 0, what you will get? Y equal to 0, x will be equal to 7. No, 0 plus plus x is equal to 7, or x is equal to 7 you will get. So y equal to 0 means x is equal to 7. Now if x is equal to 1, you can put x is equal to 1 means y will be 1 plus y equal to 7, or y is equal to 6 you will get. 7 minus 1, 6. So x is equal to 1 means y equal to 6. Like that 2-3 points you can find out. You need at least 3 points to draw a line. Okay, 2 points if you are getting, then also you can draw a line, but better to find out 3 points so that we can draw it correctly. Now let us draw the graph. Now let us draw the graph. We already discussed how to draw the graph. So first we have to mark x and y axis. So here positive values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. Here negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Here again positive value for y. 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. Now here also 1, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, like that it will come. So our points are x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 7. When x is equal to 0, y is 7. So here is 1 point you will get. Then x, y equal to 7 and x is equal to, x is equal to 0 and y equal to 7. Then x is equal to 7 and y equal to 0 here. Okay. Now another point is 1 and 6 you are getting. X is equal to 1 and y equal to 6. X is equal to 1 and y equal to 6 here. Now look at this one. 3 points. You are drawing a line. So you are getting a line like this. Okay. So equation, drawing of linear equation on a graph, that will be always a straight line like this. Okay. It can be any quadrant, or it can pass through the origin also, but it will be a straight line. Okay. Now let us discuss that example 8. For each of the graph given in the figure 4.5, select the equation whose graph is in the form. So which equation it will come? Now look at this one. First graph is this. Okay. So here points are 1, 2, 0, 0 and -1, -2. So x plus y equal to 0 will not satisfy. X plus y will satisfy only for this one, not for this and this one. So you can avoid first equation. Now second equation, you see y equal to 2x. Y is equal to 2x. So here y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1. So it will satisfy. Here also it will satisfy because both of them are 0. And here also it will satisfy. Y equal to -2, that is 2 into -1. So this equation will satisfy this graph. Third one also you can check. Y equal to x, no, only satisfying for this point only, not for this and this. And y equal to 2x plus 1, that also not satisfying for all the 3 points. For all the 3 points, here only one equation satisfy, that is y equal to 2x. Okay. Now second figure, you see, second figure is this one. Points are 1 and 6, 0 and 4 and -2, 0. Okay. So here x plus y equal to 0 will not satisfy because 1 plus 6 is equal to 7, 0 plus 4 is equal to 4, -2 plus 0 is equal to -2, so it will not come. Okay. Then y equal to 2x also it will not come because it should come as 1 and 2, 0 and 0 and -2 and -4. So that also will not come. Now third equation, you see y equal to 2x plus 4. Y equal to 2x plus 4. X is equal to 1. 2 into 1, 2 plus 4, that is equal to 6. So that is satisfying. 0 into 2, that is 0, plus 4, that is 4. So this also it is satisfying, third equation. And -2 into 2, +4 plus 4, that is equal to 0. So that also satisfy. So second equation, third choice is satisfying this figure. Okay. Now look at that third figure, that is this one. Points are 2, 0, 1 and negative 2, 0 and negative 4. 2, 0. So x plus y is equal to 0, that will not satisfy. Clearly you can avoid that one. Y is equal to 2x, you can avoid because this one it comes. Now 2x plus 1, that also you can avoid because 2 into x, that is 4 plus 1 should come. Now what is remaining, that is equal to this one, y equal to 2x minus 4. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 minus 4, 0. So that is first one, it is satisfying. Now here also 0, 2 into 0 minus 4. So 0, 4 is also satisfying. 1 into 2, 2 minus 4, that is minus 2. So all the 3 points, this equation is satisfying. So third one, this one it will come. Exercise 4.3, first one. Draw the graph of each of the following linear equations in two variables. So first equation, is x plus y equal to 4. Now when you are getting a graph paper, you can solve this one this side and draw on this. If it is a book, here one blank paper will be there, no? So there you can solve, then drawing at the graph paper you can draw. Now 3 points, at least 3 points you find out. Now put x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 means 0 plus y equal to 4 or y equal to 4. So now when x is equal to 0, y equal to 4. Now x is equal to 2, you do 2 plus y equal to 4 or y is equal to 4 minus 2, that is 2. So x is equal to 2, y equal to 2 also. Now another value y equal to 0 you put. So 0 plus, x plus 0 is equal to 4 or x is equal to 4. So when y equal to 0, x is equal to 4. So you can give any value for x and y. If you are giving value for x is equal to 1, y equal to 3 you will get. If you are putting y equal to 1, x will be 3, like that you will get so many values. Now draw that one on the graph paper. First one is 0 and 4. X is equal to 0 and y equal to 4. This one it will come. X is equal to 2 and y equal to 2. So here it will come. Then x is equal to 4 and y equal to 0. This one. So graph is this one. I am drawing this all in one graph papers because I don't have much papers with me. You have to do it on separate graph papers. Okay. So yeah, this line is x plus y is equal to 4. Okay. So which three solutions we got? 0, 4, 2, 2 and 4, 0. Now this one is the line you are getting. Okay. Now second equation, you see, I think you can draw now in your graph paper. Only solution I will tell you. X minus y is equal to 2. So here also at least 3 you can find out. x is equal to 0, so 0 minus y is equal to 2, or y is equal to negative 2. X is equal to 0 means y equal to negative 2. Then y equal to 0, y equal to 0 when you put x minus 0 is equal to 2, or x is equal to 2. So when y equal to 0, x is equal to 2. Now if x is equal to 1, x is 1, 1 minus y equal to 2, or y equal to negative y is equal to 2 minus 1, that is 1, you will get negative y is equal to 1, or y is equal to negative 1 you will get. X is equal to 1 and y equal to negative 1. Okay. Now that points where it will come 0 and negative 2, x is equal to 0 and y equal to negative 2. Here then x is equal to 2 and y equal to 0 here, and x is equal to 1 and y equal to negative 1 here. So this is the line. So equation is x minus y equal to 2. Okay. Third equation is see y equal to 3x, put x value x is equal to 0, that means y equal to 3 into 0, that is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, y is also 0. When x is equal to 1, y equal to 3 into 1, that is 3. So x equal to 1 and y equal to 3. When x is equal to 2, y equal to 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. So when x is equal to 2, y equal to 6. So draw that on a graph paper. Now fourth one, 3 equal to 2x plus y. Now here also you can put different values for x and y. X is equal to 0, so 3 will be equal to 2 into 0 plus y, or y equal to 3. X is equal to 0 means y equal to 3. Now x is equal to 1, that is 3 is equal to 2 into 1 plus y, that is 3 is equal to 2 plus y, or y is equal to 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1. So when x is equal to 1, y is also equal to 1. Now when y equal to 0, 3 is equal to 2 into x plus 0, or x is equal to 3 by 2 or 1.5, that you can avoid. Next one you take that x is equal to 2, 3 is equal to 2 into 2 plus y, or 3 minus 4 is equal to y, or y is equal to negative 1. So when x is equal to, x is equal to 2, y will be negative 1. Now second equation, you see. Second question, give the equation of two lines passing through 2 and 214. How many more such lines are there and why? Now see here, one point is given, 2 and 14. Now x is equal to 2, y equal to 14. What is x plus y? 2 plus 14, that is 16. So first equation you can write simply x plus y is equal to 16. Or what is this relationship? Y is equal to 7x. No. When you put x is equal to 2, y will be equal to 14. Second equation you got. Now y minus x is equal to what? 14 minus 2, that is equal to 12. So you got third equation. No. So you will get infinitely many equations like this passing through this point. So here we got 1, 2, 3, more than 3. You will get so many equations. Okay. Why? Because if you are taking a point, okay, particular point, infinitely many lines passes through that point. Understood? So I took this point, here itself we draw these many lines. No? So many lines you can draw passing through one point. So here you will get so many equations that satisfy this particular point. Okay. Now third question. If the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation, you are asked to find out A. So what is given the third question? If the point 3, 4 that lies on this equation, 3y is equal to ax plus 7, that means what? It will satisfy this equation. Okay. X, if you give the value of x, that is 3, and y value 4, it will satisfy this equation. So let us put x is equal to 3 and y equal to 4 in this equation. So what you will get? 3 into y, that is 3 into 4 is equal to 3 into a. X is 3, then 7. Okay. So here 3 4s are 12. 12 is equal to 3a plus 7, or 3a will be equal to 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7, that is equal to 5. So 3a is equal to 5, or a is equal to 5 by 3. So what is the value of a? That is equal to 5 by 3. What you say?